today's exploration, we delve into captivating aspects of Buddhist teachings that promise to be both insightful and thought-provoking. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a curious wanderer eager to learn, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. So, without further ado, let's dive into the profound wisdom and timeless teachings that Unveiling Buddhism has in store for us today. In the life story of Buddha Shakyamuni, we encounter a narrative that resonates with the age-old conflicts between parental aspirations and the unpredictable trajectories of individual destiny. Our tale commences with King Shuddhodana, harboring lofty visions for his son, Prince Siddhartha. His aspiration was to mold Siddhartha into a benevolent and influential monarch. To attain this goal, King Shuddhodana endeavored to shield Siddhartha from the allure of a spiritual life. Consequently, he spared no expense in lavishing Siddhartha with worldly pleasures, harboring the hope that his son would become captivated by the attractions of secular existence. As Siddhartha grew into a young man, the opulence reached new heights. King Shuddhodana, in his aspirations for Siddhartha's future as a wheel-turning monarch, turned the monumental step of constructing 3 sumptuous palaces for his son's marriage. Each palace was meticulously designed for a distinct season, ensuring the prince's comfort in all weather conditions. Siddhartha's life became a tapestry of luxury, immersed in a world of beauty, music, and entertainment. Nevertheless, the extravagant lifestyle stirred discontent among the other Shakya nobles. Rumors began to circulate rapidly, casting a shadow on Siddhartha's character. The prince, once admired, now faced scrutiny as an irresponsible and frivolous individual, solely indulging in worldly pleasures. As Siddhartha celebrated his 16th birthday, King Shuddhodana, with a strong desire to secure his son's commitment to worldly pursuits, organized a lavish celebration. The plan was to officially designate Siddhartha as the crown prince and arrange a marriage for him. However, an unexpected obstacle emerged during this grand event. The noble families, presenting a united front, decided to boycott the celebration, collectively expressing their lack of confidence in Siddhartha's suitability as a worthy husband and future king. This unexpected and bold move delivered a shock to King Shuddhodana, challenging his grand plans for Siddhartha's secular future. The king had earnestly believed that every decision he made for Siddhartha was aimed at preparing a wheel-turning monarch for the Shakyan clan. However, he now found himself confronted with the harsh reality that unwittingly his actions had turned his son into a public enemy, challenging the very aspirations he had for Siddhartha. This timeless tale serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance parents must strike between guiding our children and allowing them the freedom to forge their own destinies. Much like King Shuddhodana, some parents may inadvertently become the architects of obstacles for their children, highlighting the complex interplay between parental aspirations and individual destinies. Parenting, the ultimate balancing act. In our modern world, some parents unwittingly take supportive parenting to new heights, quite literally. Welcome to the realm of helicopter parenting, where the term hoovering takes on a whole new meaning. Picture this: parents hovering over their children like helicopters, directing their every move and decision. Now, we are not saying it's wrong to be involved, but when we find ourselves choosing our child's friends or enrolling them in activities without their input, well, we might be hovering a little too close, don't you think? And here's a classic helicopter maneuver, bulldozing every problem in our child's way. Because, what doesn't kill them makes them, oh wait, we wouldn't know because we've already fixed it. Another telltale sign of helicopter parenting? Overreacting to every little mistake our child makes, as if the world will end just because they forgot their lunchbox or books. Are you phobic of your child scraping his shin, fearing that your kid might be injured in any way? Well, you've officially entered the padded room parenting. Bubble wrap. Anyone? And let's not forget the extreme focus on achievement. Because what's childhood without strict regimen of piano lessons, soccer practice, and calculus at age 6? And voila, we've successfully built a character. Or maybe just a tiny overachieving robot? Now folks, the consequences of this helicopter routine are no joke. Our children might end up over-reliant, unprepared for life, possibly hiding a secret life or personality to handle our unrealistic expectations. Enter the free-range parenting alternative. But beware, this hands-off approach can turn into neglect faster than you can say, I'm too busy with work. Yes, kids do the darndest things, and without proper supervision, they might end up causing more chaos than a bull in a china shop. Not to mention endangering themselves too. And if we are too laid back, well, we might find ourselves facing legal penalties for parental negligence. Oops-a-daisy. Ever tried giving your kids too much freedom only to hear them screaming, "You don't care about me!" or "You don't love me!" Yeah, talk about being misunderstood. Without proper guidance, kids might think they can learn life lessons from reality TV or TikTok. I mean, who wouldn't want to model their life after a 15-second dance trend or a show that turns grocery shopping into a high-stakes drama? And now, presenting our free-range kids. They wander through life thinking that they are on a quest in a video game, picking up skills that might not translate well to the real world. It's like expecting a GPS-trained cat to navigate rush hour traffic. Good luck with that. So in the grand dance of parenting, let's find the sweet spot, the middle path. Parenting is a bit like flying a kite. Sometimes you need to tug at the string, and sometimes you've got to let go and watch it soar to new heights. Wow, that's a wow ride with helicopter parenting, free-range kids, and kites taking flight. Whether you are knee-deep in parenting or just here for the laughs, I hope you found inspiration and amusement in Buddha's life story. It's been a blast hanging out with you, and we look forward to your return in our next episode.